I'm sure you've all heard of different terms like global warming, go green, and environmental protection. And when we talk about saving the environment, it's actually a very simple thing that all of us can get involved with and do some simple things at home which help to protect the environment and save some energy also. Yeah, when you talk about electricity consumption in your home, the two major consumers of electricity are your air conditioning and your lighting. So usually when we talk about energy saving by using efficient air conditioning, the things you need to keep a track of is this, all appliances come with this Bureau of Energy Efficiency star rating. So what you're trying to do is get air conditioners or fridges or any of the other appliances that you use at home with a high star rating. Usually we recommend 3-star and above. And also very important when you use your air conditioner is to make sure you set the thermostat between 23 to 24 degrees, because the lower you set the temperature, the more energy it's going to consume. And in India anyway, usually you will not get below 22 degrees. So the compressor will be running all the time and that uses a lot more energy. Another simple strategy to save energy at home is to turn off the switch when you're not using your appliances. Even if you are not charging your cell phone, if you leave the switch on, your charger is going to consume electricity. So it's always a good idea to turn off the switch when you're not using your appliances. Okay, one of the components of your electricity bill every month is the energy used for lighting. And all of our homes, of course, we use a lot of light fixtures. And a lot of new technologies are available for lighting your home. Now earlier we used to use incandescent bulbs. They consume a lot of energy. The new technologies are the CFL bulbs, and you can get between 60 to 80% saving. And today you also have LED lamps which are even more energy efficient. Although the cheapest and the most efficient form of lighting is natural daylight. So whenever possible, open your curtains, let daylight in, and you'll save a lot of money in the long run. Okay, in India, most places the outside temperature is much warmer than the thermal comfort. So we need to actually try and reduce the amount of heat getting into the building. And if we reduce the amount of heat, then the load on our air conditioning is reduced, and therefore our electricity bill is also reduced. And in most countries, they use a product called roof insulation or wall insulation. And both of these help to reduce the heat coming in. And in India, it's becoming more and more popular, where when you do a new construction, there is insulation which is fixed on the upper side of the roof, and that prevents the heat from coming in. Okay, the simplest way to save water in your toilets is to install water efficient fixtures. Now, water efficient fixtures are freely available in the market, and they are not more expensive than standard fixtures. It's just that you need to be aware of the flow rates and specify water efficient fixtures. A good example is a dual flush toilet, which uses 3 liters for a small flush and 6 liters for a big flush. And also in your flow fixtures like showers and taps, they come with pre-installed aerators, which mix air with the water. So you get water at the same pressure, but you end up using less quantity every time you use the tap or the shower.